Hello my lovely friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I think all my friends doing well. Today I bring another new story. Welcome. So you clicked this video because you want to be confident. But before we begin, I have a serious question for you. And I want you to answer it, not for me yourself. Why should you be confident? No, really. Ask yourself, why? What difference does it make in your life if you become confident or not? Let me tell you something, not everyone becomes confident. Not everyone changes. Most people stay stuck in the same boring, lazy, fearful life forever. So look at your own life right now. How does it look? Be honest. You stay inside your room most of the time. You scroll social media. You don't read books. You don't learn something new every day. You never talk to strangers. You never face your fears. You stay inside your comfort zone like it's your home. And when you look at other people who are winning in life, the athletes, the business leaders, the speakers, the creators, the confident people, you think they're lucky. You think they were born that way? No. They are not lucky. They are disciplined. They have goals. They have structure. They push themselves every single day, even when they don't feel like it. They don't sit down and say, I'm tired, or I'm not in the mood. Because guess what? Your feelings are lying to you. Your feelings want comfort. Your feelings want easy. But success, confidence, growth, those things only come when you ignore how you feel, and you do what needs to be done. Your feelings won't make you a great athlete. Your feelings won't make you a successful business person. Your feelings won't help you stand on a stage, talk to a crowd, or lead a team. You need to switch off your emotions and switch on your discipline. And that's what this video is about. Today, we're going to rewire your brain. We're going to learn real, practical, powerful tools that will help you become confident, not someday, but starting today. But only if you're serious. So if you're just here to watch, video is not for you. And hey, let me tell you something important. This video will also improve your English. Yes, really. Because as you listen to every word, your brain is training, you're improving your listening skills, your understanding, your vocabulary, your pronunciation. So if you're serious about becoming confident and fluent in English, this is your perfect practice. 2 goals, 1 video. Confidence plus English improvement. So stay with me till the end. You're about to grow in every way. Let's begin. 1. Set daily goals and achieve them. Let's start here. Confidence is not something you find in a book or a video or inside a motivational quote. Confidence is something you earn through action. So here's your first mission. Set daily goals. And complete them. Every single day. Now don't confuse this with a long to-do list or unrealistic plans. I'm not talking about writing down 20 goals and achieving none. Start small but powerful. Example, wake up at 6 a.m. Read 5 pages of a book. Write 3 sentences in English. Exercise for 10 minutes. Talk to 1 new person. That's it. These are not big goals, but they build momentum. And momentum builds confidence. Why does this matter? Because every time you keep a promise to yourself, your brain says, I can trust this person. But every time you say you'll do something, and you don't, you lose self-respect. And no confidence can grow without self-respect. Let's say you decide to drink more water, but you don't. You decide to stop scrolling, but you scroll again. You say you'll learn something, but you skip it. Every time you lie to yourself, you become weaker. But every time you follow through, even if it's small, your inner voice becomes stronger. So set 3 to 5 small goals every morning and complete them. Don't skip. Don't say, "I don't feel like it." Because feelings don't build warriors. Discipline does. 2. Develop new skills. Let me tell you something you won't hear on other channels. Confidence is not magic. It's a byproduct of competence. That means the more skills you have, the more confident you feel. Think about it. If you can speak 2 languages, you walk differently. If you know how to cook, edit videos, lift weights, talk in English, fix things, teach something strong. Why? Because your brain says, "I can survive. I can create. I can solve problems." That's what real confidence is. It's the ability to handle life. So start developing skills. Learn public speaking. Learn storytelling. Learn cooking. Learn how to think clearly. Learn how to manage money. Learn how to say no. Learn English like your life depends on it, because in many ways, it does. You don't need to master everything in one day. Start with one skill that scares you and attack it, bit by bit, daily. Here's a simple example. If you're scared to speak English, start with 1 sentence per day. Record yourself. Listen to it. Improve. 1 sentence becomes 5. 5 becomes a minute. A minute becomes a conversation. And suddenly, one day, you'll look back and say, "Wow, I'm confident now." Not because someone gave you a magic pill, but because you built something. 3. Get comfortable with the uncomfortable. This one is hard, but it's where the transformation begins. Most people avoid pain. They avoid risk. They avoid fear. And that's exactly why they stay small. Listen carefully. If you only do what's comfortable, you'll only get ordinary results. You must train yourself to walk into discomfort and say, "Let's go." Afraid to speak in public? Do it. Stutter. Shake. Sweat. But do it. Afraid to go to the gym alone? Go anyway. Afraid to post your video online? Post it. Discomfort is not your enemy. It is your doorway to growth. And once you train yourself to become comfortable with being uncomfortable, unstoppable, you become real example. There's a man who was terrified of talking to strangers. So he made a goal. Talk to 100 strangers in 30 days. Day 1. He was shaking. Day 30, he was joking. Changed. With CEOs. What? He walked into the storm and found his strength. Do you want to be confident? Then do what scares you. Every day. Because courage is a muscle. The more you use it, the bigger it grows. 4. Work on your posture. This may sound simple, but it's deeply powerful. Your body is your first language. And confidence starts with how you carry yourself. Look around. Most people walk with their heads down, shoulders slouched, eyes tired. They don't look like they believe in themselves. Because they don't. But when you walk with your chest up, back straight, head high, and a calm breath. You tell the world, I am here. I belong. I respect myself. And guess what? When your body looks confident, your brain starts believing it. Try it right now. Sit or stand straight. Lift your chest. Look forward, not down. Smile just a little. Breathe slow. Feel that. That's your power posture. That's your default from now on. Even if you're nervous, your body will carry you through. And people will treat you differently because of it. You don't need to say a word. Your posture will speak. And it will say, I'm confident. I trust myself. I'm ready. If you think that this video is informative, then you can do subscribe. Learn. Improve. Speak with confidence.